Jupiter. This celestial giant reigns supreme as the largest planet in our solar system, a colossal world of swirling gas and storms twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Its influence extends far beyond its own domain, shaping the orbits of comets and asteroids and even protecting Earth from cosmic threats. Jupiter's allure extends beyond its sheer size. It boasts a mesmerizing tapestry of colorful cloud bands, raging storms larger than our entire planet, and a faint ring system that hints at a dynamic past. Among its moons, 4 stand out: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, known as the Galilean moons after their discoverer, Galileo Galilei. Join me on a journey to Jupiter, the king of planets, as we delve into its colossal size, its turbulent atmosphere, its subtle rings, and its diverse moons. Jupiter's size is truly awe-inspiring. Imagine a planet so large that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. That's Jupiter, a giant among giants. Its diameter stretches a staggering 86,881 miles, dwarfing our planet's measly 7,917 miles. Unlike Earth, a rocky planet with a solid surface, Jupiter is a gas giant. It lacks a well-defined surface and is instead composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, the 2 lightest elements in the universe. These gases swirl and churn in Jupiter's atmosphere, creating the planet's distinctive bands and storms. Deep within Jupiter's atmosphere, the immense pressure is thought to compress the hydrogen gas into a liquid metallic state, responsible for Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. Jupiter's atmosphere is a chaotic and ever-changing spectacle. Unlike Earth's relatively calm atmosphere, Jupiter's is a maelstrom of swirling gas clouds, whipped into frenzied bands by powerful winds and colossal storms. The most striking feature of Jupiter's atmosphere is its alternating light and dark bands. These bands are driven by Jupiter's rapid rotation, which causes the planet to bulge at its equator and flatten at its poles. Jupiter's rapid spin, completing a full rotation in just under 10 hours, fuels powerful jet streams that reach speeds of over 300 miles per hour. The colors we see in Jupiter's atmosphere are due to the different chemical compounds present in the clouds. No description of Jupiter's atmosphere would be complete without mentioning its most iconic feature, the Great Red Spot. This colossal storm, larger than Earth itself, has been raging for at least 350 years. The Great Red Spot is an anticyclone, meaning it rotates in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation. Its winds swirl counterclockwise at speeds of up to 400 miles per hour, making it the largest and most powerful storm in the solar system. The exact cause of the Great Red Spot's reddish hue remains a mystery, but scientists believe it may be due to the presence of organic molecules or phosphine gas in the upper layers of the storm. Over the past century, astronomers have observed the Great Red Spot shrinking in size. The Great Red Spot is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of Jupiter's atmosphere. Rings of ice and dust, Jupiter's subtle halo. While Saturn may be famed for its dazzling rings, Jupiter too possesses a ring system, albeit one far more subtle and less prominent. Jupiter's rings, discovered in 1979 by the Voyager 1 spacecraft, are faint and composed primarily of dust rather than ice, making them difficult to observe from Earth. Unlike Saturn's rings, which are believed to have originated from a shattered moon or comet, Jupiter's rings are thought to be formed from material ejected by its inner moons. When these moons are bombarded by micrometeoroids, they release dust particles that become trapped in Jupiter's gravitational pull, forming the faint rings we observe. While Jupiter's rings may pale in comparison to Saturn's majestic rings, they offer valuable insights into the dynamics of the Jovian system. A family of moons, Jupiter's diverse satellites. Jupiter's reign as the king of planets extends beyond its size and atmospheric features. It also boasts a vast and diverse family of over 79 known moons, each a world unto itself. Among Jupiter's many moons, 4 stand out: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, collectively known as the Galilean moons after their discoverer Galileo Galilei. Io, the closest of the Galilean moons to Jupiter, is a world of fire and fury, its surface constantly reshaped by volcanic eruptions. Europa, shrouded in an icy shell, harbors a vast subsurface ocean that may hold the potential for life. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than the planet Mercury, possesses its own magnetic field and a possible subsurface ocean. Io, a volcanic wonderland. Io, the innermost of the Galilean moons, is a world like no other in our solar system. Its surface is a riot of color, a patchwork of yellows, oranges, reds, and browns constantly reshaped by intense volcanic activity. Io's volcanism is driven by tidal heating, a consequence of its elliptical orbit around Jupiter, and the gravitational pull of its neighboring moons, Europa and Ganymede. This gravitational tug-of-war creates friction within Io's interior, generating immense heat that melts rock and fuels its volcanic eruptions. Io's volcanoes are among the most powerful in the solar system, spewing molten lava and sulfurous plumes hundreds of kilometers high. Europa, an ocean moon with potential for life. Europa, the smallest of the Galilean moons, may hold the greatest potential for life beyond Earth. Beneath its icy shell, scientists believe, lies a vast, salty ocean that could harbor conditions suitable for life. Europa's surface is remarkably smooth, covered in a layer of ice that is thought to be between 10 and 15 miles thick. This icy shell is crisscrossed by a network of reddish-brown cracks and ridges, suggesting that the ice is constantly moving and shifting. The presence of liquid water, along with a source of energy from tidal heating and the possibility of organic molecules, makes Europa a prime candidate for the search for extraterrestrial life. Ganymede and Callisto, worlds of ice and rock. Ganymede and Callisto, the two largest of the Galilean moons, offer contrasting examples of icy worlds shaped by different processes over billions of years. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is a world of its own, even larger than the planet Mercury. It is the only moon known to possess its own intrinsic magnetic field, generating auroras in its thin atmosphere. Ganymede's surface is a mix of dark, ancient terrain, heavily cratered and dating back to the early solar system, and lighter, younger terrain, marked by grooves and ridges, suggesting tectonic activity in its past. Beneath its icy crust, Ganymede is thought to harbor a vast, salty ocean, potentially larger than all the oceans on Earth combined. Callisto, the outermost of the Galilean moons, is a world frozen in time, its surface bearing witness to billions of years of asteroid and comet impacts. Jupiter's role guardian of the solar system. Jupiter's immense gravity, the most powerful of any planet in the solar system, plays a crucial role in shaping the orbits of comets and asteroids, acting as both a protector and a potential threat to Earth. Jupiter's gravity acts as a cosmic vacuum cleaner, deflecting or capturing comets and asteroids that stray too close to the inner solar system. This protective influence is thought to have shielded Earth from numerous potentially devastating impacts throughout its history. One dramatic example of Jupiter's protective influence occurred in 1994 when the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with the gas giant. Jupiter's immense gravity ripped the comet apart into a string of fragments, which then slammed into the planet's atmosphere, creating spectacular scars that were visible for months. Despite this potential threat, Jupiter's overall influence on the solar system is largely beneficial, helping to stabilize the orbits of the inner planets. If you have watched this long, please like and subscribe. Conclusion: unraveling the mysteries of Jupiter. Jupiter, the king of planets, continues to captivate and inspire awe. Its immense size, turbulent atmosphere, faint rings, and diverse family of moons offer endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. From the fiery volcanoes of Io to the potential for life in Europa's subsurface ocean, Jupiter's moons offer a glimpse into the incredible variety of worlds that exist beyond our own. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Jupiter will undoubtedly remain a source of fascination and wonder, its mysteries beckoning us to unravel the secrets of our solar system and beyond.